Hey, creators and marketers. Are you ready to take your video content to the next level? Whether you're making YouTube videos, social media ads, or corporate presentations, today I'm going to show you a game-changing tool that will revolutionize your video production, Viddyoze.
Welcome to Viddyoze, the most powerful video creator on the planet. In just a couple of clicks, you can create incredible videos for your business or brand. No technical skills or experience required. From social media posts, sales announcements, customer testimonials, to explainer videos, we've got you covered. With thousands of pre-built templates, you can create any type of video you want in just a few clicks. Viddyoze is designed to turn anyone into a video content expert instantly. No more worrying about storyboarding, script writing, filming, or editing. You don't even have to worry about what to create. We've got it all laid out for you. Our vast library of video animation templates includes logo animations, intros and outros, industry-focused videos, video transitions, lower thirds and callouts, social animations, promo templates, and more. Every single template can be customized easily for any business or brand. And if you want something you can customize even further, then we have you covered too. With our simple-to-use, template-driven video editor, you choose your video goal, which can be anything from driving more sales or leads to increasing brand awareness, or even generating more engagement from your social media. And we lay out the video for you in our intuitive, easy-to-use drag-and-drop editor. You can then edit, add, or remove scenes until you have that perfect video for your purpose. So whether you need a full-length video or just some incredible animations, Viddyoze has you covered. And it's not just about amazing content, it's also about speed. With our vast library of diverse templates and video recipes, we also make it super easy to customize any video around your brand. Set up your brand colors, fonts, and logo, and populate every template in a single click. It's never been easier or faster to create professional videos. When we say you've just landed on the most powerful video creator on the planet, we mean it. And it isn't just us saying this. Here at Viddyoze, we've been innovating and growing our platform since 2015 and have over 180,000 users already using Viddyoze to generate incredible video content for their businesses and brands every single day. We have thousands of incredible reviews online to back this up. When it comes to creating professional-looking video content that actually produces results for your business, you've landed in the right place.
So my name is Sam Clark, and I am super excited to be here talking to you about one of my all-time favorite applications and video creation tools called Viddyoze. On June 4th, things go live, and this software will be offered at a steep discount for just a few days with multiple options and upgrades, so buy this today. Now is the time for you to buy it, and I'm offering some really awesome bonuses to go along with Viddyoze. So what are these bonuses? One of the coolest AI graphic generators was just released a few weeks ago, and it's called Pixie. You can find out more about this below. It's going to blow your mind. I love this tool. It's currently valued at $17 a month or $67 a year, but you'll get it free when purchasing Viddyoze through my affiliate link as a bonus. Bonus number 2 is the incredible Bloggy AI. Imagine having a constant source of awesome content being posted onto your websites on autopilot. This tool currently is selling for $47, but you're going to get this free as a bonus. And the last big bonus is Viral Dashboard. This all-in-one social media agency level management tool will give your content superpowers as you can distribute all your content across all your platforms all in one place. This tool is valued at $57, yours free. These 3 tools go perfectly with Viddyoze. Super awesome, saving you $171 and having bonuses that actually go well with Viddyoze. So clear your cookies and go smash the link below and grab Viddyoze today and get these terrific bonuses. There are instructions below on how to claim these bonuses, and please give me 24 to 48 hours to set up all your accounts for the 3 bonuses you'll be getting. Thanks, and talk to you soon.